Here is a simple and fair way for TikTok live streamers to choose viewers to play with on stream. Alternatively, you can use it to choose prize winners. So this method is for Windows PC streamers, and that is because it uses the Tickfinity desktop app, and I'll link that in the description, so go ahead and download that and install it. And then once we're on the Tickfinity desktop app, just make sure you have a Tickfinity account by clicking on the setup page and add in your username. I've just used a streamer that's already live just for this video, but of course add your own username here. Make sure you click on TikTok login and click login to TikTok. And then for the purposes of this viewer queue slash prize chooser, all you need to do is have Tickfinity minimized in the background while you're live streaming. And let's get to the setup of the queue. So I will link this page in the description and on screen. And if for whatever reason it doesn't display properly, you can also go to my second website, wgmojo.gg/queue, and it should display properly on that site if my main website isn't displaying it. So this is a fairly simple setup. As I said, make sure you have the Tickfinity desktop app running in the background, and it should say connected to Tickfinity at the bottom. And it is as simple as choosing a command to start with. So your viewers will type this in the chat to join the queue. So let me go into Tenza's chat here. If I type !join, and you might be wondering why I'm typing it, and then go back to the queue, you can see I'm now an eligible viewer in the queue. And if you want to remove people from the queue, you just press this trash emoji and it will delete them. For example, if you're limiting your viewers to one game or one prize win, you would just delete them off the list once they've played with you or won something. Anyway, you then choose how many viewers per game or how many prizes you're giving away. So I've defaulted it for 3. So if you just didn't put anything in this box, it would be 3 by default. That's basically because Fortnite's the biggest game right now. But of course, for example, if you're playing Valorant, you might have 4 teammates or however many teammates you want. And then of course, this is important. These will all be turned off by default, so nobody can actually type !join. So of course, it's up to you who you pick and who can enter the queue. I would suggest you at least set it to followers. But sometimes, if you have it as a perk that people can only play with you if they're subscribed, then of course set it to subscriber and moderator only. Anyway, I'll set mine to followers, subs, and mods. That means they at least have to follow to play with me or to win the prize. And there's 2 types of sorting you can do. Firstly, you can just have a race with your viewers. Basically, the first 3 viewers in this example who type !join into the chat, if I'd set it to first viewers to comment, then I would just be playing with the first 3. But I prefer the randomization, and you can decide how long they have to type the message. And this eligible viewers list will fill up with people who've typed, in my example, !join. And then when you're ready to randomly choose, you just press choose now. Of course, in this example, I'm the only one who's typed into the chat, but if 3 or more people have typed !join, it will list 3 random people in this section. And if you do want to roll it again, you can just press choose now. And of course, if you just want to completely clear the list, just refresh the page, and you will have to do the settings again. So in my example, I would just have to type everything into the box again to set it back up. But it's that simple to just refresh the list. As I said, you can also just use the trash icons to delete people. And of course, if you want to show the viewers who you've picked for transparency reasons, then just use a simple display capture in Live Studio, OBS, or Streamlabs. You just press add source and choose display capture, and that just shows everything on your screen. In this case, as you can see, it's showing the web browser. So once again, I'll link that in the description. I'll put a video on screen for a bigger Tickfinity deep dive, and I made this using AI chatbots. If you want to make your own AI chatbot programs for TikTok Live, I'll put a video for that on screen as well.